Good afternoon, students. I am Sanjay Pandey and I will explain for class 6 SST Civics chapter number 2 discrimination, inequality, stereotypes and prejudice. Student, discrimination means differences on different type of based like society, politics, caste. It is differences between different level. Discrimination. Discrimination is the based on society, social group, community, and caste. Stereotype. It may be positive or negative. Some people said that boy is better than girls. It is positive opinion in their mind, but in my opinion it is not good. Girls may be better than boys in each and every field. You can see in all fields. Stereotype prejudice. It is only negative opinion. Something people said that man obviously corrected. If a person found guilty in one time, that image in society always negative. We think always negative about their person. Inequality. Inequality on the basis of workplace or diseases. Suppose that a person is suffering from AIDS. So all society person conflict they do not like. But in my opinion, this diseases AIDS maybe suffer any person in our society, boys or girls, males or female, king or queen, leaders, anybody may be affected by AIDS, but we always stereotype on diseases person like AIDS and other diseases. On workplace, we like men because men have so power and women have less power. We paid salary men better than women, but sometimes female is better than male. It is example of inequality. Now, forms of discrimination. Discrimination means differences mainly found in three based on gender, based on race, and based on caste. Forms of discrimination in first point based on gender. We always recognize boys and girls. Boys may be good in mathematics, but girls are good only in dance, cooking food very well. It is a negative image in our society. Girls are also good in mathematics. Boys may be good in cooking, but in our society, in negative opinion, females are better than female. Next, based on race, means our side colors. In South Africa, blacks are tortured by white person. It's discrimination on the basis of colors. White people dislike black people It is racial discrimination on the basis of color. It is not good for our society. Our third discrimination based on caste. In early times, our caste was divided into four castes, sub-castes: Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishyas, and Shudras. Brahman is the head of society, that is religious and knowledgeable person. Kshatriyas are warrior person, they protect all the society. Vaisyas means businessmen who may be traders. And Shudras like menial. They work for these three castes, but no social equality with Shudras. Our last point, student, fundamental right. Our government passed on 26 January 1950 fundamental rights. In fundamental rights, discrimination has become banned. No one can discriminate on the basis of caste, on the basis of color, on the basis of religion. And next topic is right for all. Our government has provided our six rights: a right to equality, a right to freedom, a right to freedom of religion, cultural and education right, a right to constitutional remedies, and right to against exploitation. So, our constitution provides us right to all persons of society, not for Brahman, not for Kshatriya, not for Vaishyas, and not for Shudras. It is all. It's for all. Thank you, students.